So, let's go, Mayang. Read it well. Pronounce it. Pronounce the words well. Okay? Are you ready? Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay. Let's go. Read.
Extremely
Kind. Lakas, malakas.
Extremely
Mag-accentuate ka. Say.
kind.
Short.
Type.
Mabilis.
Such. Similar. Like. Alike. Such like. Understandable. Easy to understand. Clear. Confuse. Off. Away. To. Pair. Same. Alike. Sleep. Nap. Rest. Wake up. Awaken. Get up. House. Home. Homestead.
Okay. House.
Homestead.
The homestead.
Expose. Reveal. Show. Uncover. Cover. Put something.
Put something.
Put something.
Hindi put something. Put something on the top.
Put something on the top of.
Protect. Shield. Okay, next page. How can we flip this page? Next time you have to write the words at the back. Okay? I told you already. Okay. Read.
Change. Coins. Cash. Coin.
Dapat i-project mo na may kausap ka. Coins, cash, may nagbabasa ka parang may binabasahan ka. Kunyari yung anak mo, ha? Sige. Ako na nagbabasa siya. Coins, Mayang, cash, coin, ikaw naman para ka naturo. May tuturuan ka. Sige.
Cash.
Nanood na mga kids, so kidi students. Sige. They are what?
Cash. Coin.
Manuturo ka sala.
Coin. New. Brand new. Older. Aged. Young. Teen. Children.
No, not so fast so that makahabol sila. Teen, children, kids. Bulo ako. Move, go, walk. Sige. I repeat. Young,
teen,
may turuan ka. Teen,
children, kids,
kunyari ako turuan mo.
Move, go, walk, read, study, year,
Day,
time, age,
kunyari ako turuan mo.
around,
Ako estudyante. Okay.
location, spot, turn, rotate,
Tama ka ng T. Rotate.
spin,
Spin.
leave, quit, abandon, say, speak, pronounce, put.
Okay, another page. Let's proceed to another page. What you got? What have you got here? You read.
Perfect, best,
Isipin mo palagi para ako tinuruan mo, ha? Sige.
perfect, best, absolute, great, important,
Sige, turuan mo ko.
important,
Sige.
little, small, mini, tiny, toy, baby, big, large, huge, tall, massive, giant, understand, appreciate, recognize, realize, know, ignore. Pay no attention to listen. To listen, respect, keep, remain, powerful,
very good.
important,
Teacher. Okay.
impressive,
Yes, teacher.
striking, weak, sick, strong, powerful,
Full. Powerful. Full. Powerful.
powerful, muscular, hardy, soft,
Tough. Tough.
gentle, kind.
Okay, next. Magaling magturo, teacher. You are a good teacher. Mayang. Sige.
Stunning, incredible, impressive, outstanding, amazing, marvelous, fab, super, fantastic, attractive, sexy, lovely, beautiful, gorgeous, alike, close,
Close.
Close.
Leader, close.
close, near, like, close to,
Close to. Pronounce it as Z. Okay?
close to,
To. Close to. T.
close to, different, dissimilar, unlike, unlike, at odds,
At odds.
ordinary, usual, normal,
Very good.
regular, dislike, hate, unlike, unlike,
Very good.
not like, away, from there, aside, not at home, on holiday.
Okay, very good ka mag-research, teacher. Ang sarap mag-enroll sa'yo. I want to enroll you in your subject, teacher. Okay, let's start here.
Yummy, delicious, edible,
Got it, teacher. Okay.
mouth-watering, good, tasty, ideal, total, best, absolute, real, terrible, dreadful,
Very good.
awful,
Awful. Full. Awful.
awful,
Swasans. Full.
awful,
Awful.
appalling,
Appalling.
horrible, bad, poor, yuck, bad, nasty,
Nasty.
nasty, high, tall,
Tall.
giant, big, top, high up, way up, far up, low, short,
Short.
little, high cost,
Ito.
inexpensive,
Very good. Last. Very good. Very good reader to si Mayang. Sige. Did one pa. Sige.
end, ending, finish, close, edge, everything, each thing, all, not a thing, not a single thing, not anything, not
Nothing at all.
nothing at all, no big deal, thing, future, point, detail,
Very good. Sige.
particular, item, aspect,
Ganun ba ba sa atin? Teacher, ganun pala.
love, fondness, weakness,
Okay, galing.
obviously, clearly, patiently, patently,
Mm.
visibly,
Visibly. Visibly.
visibly,
Mm.
of course,
Mm.
easy,
Mm.
not difficult,
Very good.
effortless,
Mm.
hard,
Very good.
heavy,
Mm.
soft,
Tough.
soft,
Tough.
tough,
Mm.
tiring,
Tiring.
tiring,
Tiring.
tiring,
Tiring.
tiring,
Tiring.
tiring.
Mm. Okay, teacher, very good ka na. Ito pa kaya, last na lang ka. Mabilis ako basa eh. Sige ko, ito last. Okay? You continue reading, teacher. Teach me, please. Teach me.
Cool, chilly, cold, fresh,
Ako lang tinuruan mo. Sige.
crisp,
Mm.
refreshing,
Mm.
coolness,
Mm.
popular.
Mm.
I don't know.
Very good.
I'm not sure. I have no idea.
Idea.
I'm clueless.
Clueless. Clueless. I am clueless.
I'm clueless. No. Realize. Notice.
Notice.
Understand.
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 Understand. Okay.
Answer. Reply. Response. Glad.
Sinisunod ka na. Sinipunod ka na.
Please. Thankful. I feel
Tama.
joyful. Grateful.
Very good. Magaling ka sa swa sound. Okay.
Ahem. Oh. Hello. Come again. Whoopee. Hem.
Ito, pinakalas na pala to. Sige. Magaganado ko makinig sa'yo. Sige. Ito.
Simple. Beautiful.
Simple.
Beautiful.
Hindi simple L. Simple.
Beautiful.
T-L.
Beautiful. Attractive. Handsome. Good looking. Nice looking. Lovely. Charming. Delightful.
Very good.
Gorgeous.
Pero spell yung gorgeous mo kasi may O. Alisin mo na lang O, ha?
Okay.
Gorgeous and gorgeous. Okay? Ano kasunod? Next, teacher.
Stunning. Graceful. Elegant. Aesthetic.
Aesthetic.
Hot. Cute.
Ano to?
Hindi man yan.
Sige.
Rich. Beaut. Ugly. Horrible. Awful. Disgusting. Nasty. Happy. Joyful. Joking. Lucky.
Horrible pronounce.
Epic.
Anong horrible?
Epic.
Sige, continue lang.
Sad. Unhappy.
Horrible pronounce.
Unhappy.
That's pronounced and horrible.
Horrible. Tama.
Pitiful.
Pitiful.
Sorry.
Pitiful yan.
Oh,
Pitiful dapat yan. Malay spelling. Pitiful dapat yan. Pitiful. Pitiful.
Sorry. Cheerless. Heartbreaking. Funny. Hilarious. Silly. Ridiculous. Spooky. Frightening.
Read well. I am listening.
Frightening. Terrifying. Creepy. Odd. Curious.
Wow. Para sarili ni Mayang sa pronunciation sa English na may vocabulary. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you.
Good evening. Bye-bye, Kitty Kids. Keep on watching
Bye-bye.
and support my video. Vlogging. Vlog. I am Teacher Maya.
Teacher Maya.
Good evening.
Good evening.
See you next
See
time.
you next time.
Mwah.
Mama.
Sige. Bye-bye ka. I am Teacher Maya.
Maya.
I am 7 years old.
I am 7 years old.
I'm now in grade 1.
I'm now in grade 1, almost in grade 2.
See you.
See you.
Bye-bye. See you next time.
See you next time.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye for now.
Bye for now.
Stay safe.
Stay safe.
Okay na? I-play na natin.
Do stop recording.
Stop ko din. Hindi, yan, stop na. Dito.
Where?
Ano mo na, dito.
Here?
Yan, dito, pinutin mo. Ito. Yan.